Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to keep working in our new method book on the trumpet with line 34, London Bridge. And today we are going to learn a new note. So let's take a look at our fingering chart at the top of the page. So our new note is an A, that's a concert G. It's located on the second space, and you play it with the first two valves, just like the E. Just use faster air, and that will help you get the higher sound. So A on the second space is higher than the second line G, which is played open. And then the F, which is concert E flat, that's on the first space, first valve down. Then the E, which is concert D, that's on the first line. We play that with the first two valves, just like the A, but lower. Then we have a D, which is concert C, that is one space below the staff, and that is with the first and third valves. Also, if you're able to, kick out that third valve slide, and you'll get a more in tune sound. Finally, we have a C, which is concert B flat. It's one ledger line below the staff, and that is played open just like the G. So now we are going to use these new notes and learn London Bridge. So at the beginning, we have our treble clef. Then we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. This tells us how many beats are in each measure. And the bottom number tells us the value of the whole note. So if our whole note deserves 4 beats, then half of a whole is half of 4 is 2. So our half notes get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1. So our quarter notes get 1 beat. And now we're going to go through and see what notes we have and look for patterns. So we start on our second line open G. We go up to the A first and second, then back to the G, come down to the F, then E, F, G, hold that one for 2 beats, it's a half note. Then we come down to the D, 1 and 3, then E, 1 and 2, and then F in first valve, give that 2 beats, and then E, F, G. If you notice, the first 2 measures of the first line are identical to the first 2 measures of the second line. So we've already learned more than half of the song. When you get to measure 7, you're going to start with a half note D, first and third, then go to open G, and then E, first and second valve, and then an open C. And we end with a quarter rest. So start each note with a T sound, use lots of air, and make that air fast when you are using upper notes. Here we go. I hope you can play along. 1, 2, ready? And that's how you play London Bridge on the trumpet. I hope this has been helpful. If you're able to play it at that speed or faster, that's great. If you need to slow it down, or if you need to break it down into smaller chunks, maybe one measure or a couple of notes at a time, that's fine. You take at whatever pace that you are able to do successfully. I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.